tell me this is not a look. Like, tell me this is not a look. Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Nayli. We're back with another video. Feel me? As you guys can see by what I'm wearing, your girl did some soft faux locks. I'm sorry. But yeah, so I did these by myself with the help of my mom a little bit, but I did it on my natural hair. Like, if you guys watch more into the video, you will see that like I started on freshly washed hair because I feel like people be starting on stretched hair or blow dried hair, and it's very much possible to do baby girl on your natural hair with no heat. Feel me? So yeah, keep watching. This style really came out like mad cute. Like, I really like it. This is really cute. I didn't do them too long just because like it's summer, it's hot, I don't got the time. But if it was the winter time, I definitely would have went a little bit longer. So yeah, this is what this is looking like. Like, this is really a look. Tell me this is not a look. Like, tell me this is not a look. Like, this is mad cute. But yeah, these shades are from My La Monet collection on Instagram, so make sure y'all go cop up. They got nice shades for cheap prices, feel me, and they're good quality, 100% UV. No, this is not a sponsorship, I promise. I brought these with my own money. It's just I really like their shades, so yeah, their Instagram will be linked down below. Okay, but yeah, keep watching. Okay guys, so I'm starting on freshly washed hair. As you can see, like literally the only thing in it is curls, leave-in conditioner. Everything that you see me using in this video will be linked down below, so if you miss anything, don't worry, it'll be in the description box. Yeah, my hair is like a whole bunch of different colors, just ignore it. But I apply my leave-in conditioner in the shower because I have low porosity hair, so it just helps like seal in moisture a little bit better, and I feel like it actually, like, I don't know, my hair just absorbs it better. But outside of that, you know, oh my god, I look so crazy. I'm just taking a rat tail comb and I'm gonna start parting my hair. I'm not gonna lie, I really struggled with this. Like, I don't see how people was able to do this on camera because I'm looking in the mirror. I just got you on the side. I'm not gonna lie, I wasn't even worried about y'all, and I could not do this at all. Like, I was really struggling. Like, I was able to do this bottom part by myself, but afterwards, later on in the video, you'll see me like disappear from the camera because I had to ask my mom to part my hair because this was a big no. Like, it took me so long to part my hair. It was ridiculous. So after finally getting a part that like I was happy with, I just started stretching my hair up and down to make sure like it was pretty straight. It wasn't perfect, but it was alright. Yeah, that was a fast clip, but I'm just showing you guys what I'm going to be using in my hair. Like I said, it will be linked down below. But I'm basically doing the LCO method because the leave-in was already in my hair, and I'm just applying some Cream of Nature like twisting cream to my hair. It's like twisting, braiding, wash and go cream. It's like you can use it for anything. And I'm applying this Moroccan Sleek oil by Garnier Fructis. And I'm not gonna lie, this is my first time using this oil. Like, literally, I brought it yesterday, and I don't know, I felt like it would be good for a wash and go, but obviously I'm not doing a wash and go right now. So I was like, you know what, let me try it. And I'm not gonna lie, I was really happy with it. Like, I honestly recommend this. Like, I feel like it did a great job. Like, it didn't feel like oil was sitting on my hair. It felt like, I don't know, it felt really good. So I was just applying everything to my head, as you guys saw, and I put the Shine Jam on my part. So now I'm just taking a comb and just looking to make sections. I only really make one section at a time, but I'm just kind of playing around with it, pulling it apart to see how big the section is, to see if it's straight, slanted. I'm not gonna lie, knowing me, it was probably slanted because a lot of my parts were slanted, you guys. But yeah, like, I'm just playing around with it. You're probably wondering why I didn't use the rat tail comb, but honestly, trying to use that to part my hair, like going downwards, was just a little bit harder for me. Like, you'll see me try to do it later on in the video, maybe, I don't know. But yeah, using this comb was just much easier for me. Like, it just made everything easier. So now I'm braiding my hair. I'm not doing a cornrow. I'm doing, I think they're called plaits. Is that what a braid is called? Like, when it's not like to your scalp. But yeah, I'm just braiding my hair all the way down, and then I'm going to take some of that like curling cream by Cream of Nature, and I'm going to put it on my ends. Yeah, I shook my head because I realized like I had a very long way to go. Like, this was a terrible idea. I was tired. But yeah, well, you're going to notice once I get to the ends of my hair, I'm going to take that Cream of Nature pudding and I'm going to like put it on my ends, and I'm going to like curl it up because you don't want to put rubber bands at the ends of your hair. It's going to break it off. You want to make sure that your ends out of everything is the most moisturized and that they curl up so that the braid doesn't come out.
Okay guys, so I'm finally done braiding my hair. I'm not gonna lie, this really took me a minute, y'all. Like, it took me a minute. Like, if you never did your own braids on your head, just know you better have some muscles, and if you don't have some, you're gonna definitely have some after you finish, because my arms right now killing me. But yeah, so I braided them, and then at the ends, like, say if like I didn't take even sections, I just kind of twisted the end. It don't really matter, you don't have to do braids, you could do twists, because either way the whole like thing is being covered. If my voice sounds weird, I'm sorry. It's because like it literally is getting late. Like, it's not late, but it's late. I started this at like 8:21 and it is now 12:39. I mean 11:39, sorry. So yeah, hopefully I feel like the dreadlock part will go by quick, just because I don't have to part my hair, I don't have to braid my hair. I literally just have to crochet it and that's it. I don't know how many braids I have in, but I have a good amount. And let me just show y'all the back. My parts aren't completely even, but they're not bad neither. Like, I feel like they're still doable, like they're still cute. They don't look all crazy. Like, I know in the front I really tried to make sure like everything was even and looking decent, but I know towards back here they're not crazy, but they crazy. So let me show y'all what I got from the beauty supply store, just so y'all can know what specific brand and stuff I use. So if y'all want to do this, y'all could buy the exact same stuff. So the first thing I got was this weaving needle. It looks like that. Also, if beauty salons by you are not open, everything I'm using will be linked down below, so y'all could go and order off Amazon. If you got Amazon Prime, it will be here tomorrow. So yeah, I got 3 packs of this Bobby Boss new locks in the color 1B. They look like that. They're 18 inches, so they're gonna be like a decent length, feel me. I got 3 packs because I'm not layering them, I'm just putting 1 lock on each braid. However, if you want them long, like 36 inches or plus, you're gonna have to buy at least 6 packs, and if you want them longer than that, you're going to just have to buy more. If you're making your braids smaller than this, you're gonna have to buy more packs. So just remember that, buy more and not need it than to buy less and, you know, need some more. This is not the most expensive hairstyle, but it's not the cheapest neither, because one of these packs were $8.50, I believe. It was either $7.50 or $8.50, and yeah, that adds up. So girl, the shine and jam that I showed y'all earlier, I brought that too. I used it mostly for the front, but in the back of my head, I'm not gonna lie, I didn't really use it, because on wet hair, like, it was doing something, but it wasn't really doing much. Like, it was more so doing nothing. So honestly, you could probably use it on dry hair, but wet hair, I really don't feel like you need it. So as you guys know, I did my braids on my literally natural hair. Like, I started filming the minute I got out of the shower. So if your hair is still wet, you might want to sit under an air dryer. You might want to sit under a blow dryer for a couple minutes to make sure it's completely dry, or, you know, it probably air dried as you was doing it, kind of like mine, and you're probably just feeling the moisture from the cream you used, because my hair was dry up here and then I added the cream and now it's like moisturized. But make sure your hair is really moisturized. My hair is moisturized, them ends is curled, the front of my hair is damaged, as y'all know, but yeah, all these ends is curled and they look beautiful. So if you don't know what to moisturize your hair with, definitely try what I showed y'all. It's gonna be linked down below, like I said. So it's actually the next day when y'all was recording, well, when I was recording that last clip. It was like 2 o'clock in the morning and I had work, so I was like, you know, at 12. So I was like, you know what, I'm gonna just go to work in my box braids, and then when I come home, I'm gonna do this. I'm not gonna lie, I'm not even gonna try to take credit. My mom did all these. Like, I did 1 or 2, but it's kind of hard to do it on yourself, I'm not gonna lie. So she did these just to help me speed it up, even though some parts she was really not tucking my ends, but whatever. And yeah, I'm just going to do the front part for y'all. If my edges are white, it's because I had that edge controlling. Okay, this might be a little bit hard for me to do like in the camera, but I'm gonna try to show y'all. So what you want to do is take your crochet hook, close it, and put it through your braid like so. And then you want to take the lock, the part that has a little hole in it, the little loop, open it up, put it on the hook, close it, and pull it through. Okay, so once it's through, right, you're gonna take the little hole, and you're not gonna pull the twist through. I know in some videos people pull the twist, we're not gonna pull the twist. We're gonna pull the actual braid through. Honestly, I don't really think it makes a difference which one you pull through. Either way, it's secure, but I don't know. I just like this better. And you're gonna pull the end of it, and boom, it comes down. So now it's like really secure. It's not going nowhere, feel me? Not going nowhere. So I feel like this is the part that I feel like I got confused with watching other people's videos. So I'm going to try to explain it like really well to y'all so y'all not confused. You want to untwist the hair, right? In the direction that you're able to untwist it in. But if you're untwisting it going this way, when it's time to wrap it around your hair, you're going to wrap it that way. People was not explaining that in the videos, so I would untwist it this way and then I would wrap it around this way just because I naturally like go in that direction. And then when it was time to like close it, I was twisting in the opposite direction, which is that way, and then it just was not working. And I was confused. I'm like, why is it not working? So yeah, just keep that in mind. And some people like to untwist as they go. I find that like much harder, like it just be a mess. So I kind of like untwist the lock to the length of my braid and even a little bit longer, because since you're wrapping it around your braid, you kind of use a little bit more hair. So I'm just untwisting a good amount. So I untwisted about that much. So remember, I untwisted that way, so I'm gonna wrap my hair this direction. So I'm gonna face this way, even though that means I'm not gonna be able to see if I'm really covering my hair or not, but you want to make sure that you're covering your whole braid, because if not, when you let go, it's gonna like kind of curl up a little bit and then you're gonna see the braid. Also, make sure that like you're wrapping the hair around, because listen, if you black, you know that you naturally have a tendency as you like twist to like kind of twist the piece and then twist it. Y'all know what I'm talking about. Like, it's a natural habit, but you want to make sure that you're going straight around it. Like, you're not twisting as you're going, if what I'm saying is making sense. Just keep pulling really tight. Take your time, I'm not gonna lie, because it's better to just take your time and it comes out nice than for you to rush it and then when you let go, the whole thing just curl back up, because you're gonna have to redo it. I'm not gonna lie, it's gonna look crazy and you're gonna be able to like see your hair underneath. Now if your hair is black, it might blend, but my hair is like brown and green, as you can see. So like, for example, here, when it's not tucked properly, you're gonna be able to see it. And you want to make sure that you're twisting tight. You don't want to twist loosely, because when you let go, baby girl, she's gonna unravel. Feel me? Like, literally unravel. Like, I really went through some trial and error before I came on here, because it took some time to do it so that I could show my mom how to do it, and then she just did it, because trying to do this on yourself is really tiring. Like, all right, so once you get to the end and you have like a little bit of your ends left, I just kind of like push it in to the twist, and then I twist in the direction that it's supposed to be twisted in to tighten it. So I twist and twist, but I'm holding where I was just at, and then I go upwards. Well, I go upwards because that's the direction it's supposed to be twisted in, but if you gotta go upwards, downwards, whatever, do that, but make sure you're only going in one direction. I'm not going like this, I'm just going up. I'm going up in that one direction. And some of my hair is peeking through, but I think that's personally because I have big sections. Like, notice I don't really have a lot of locks, but I feel like if you had smaller braids, it would cover it up way easier. Boom, let it go. And you see, bam, she looks good. I'm not really worried about the ends. It don't really bother me, to be honest, because who's gonna check me? Oh, okay.
So for the other 3 braids, I just decided to do a time lapse because like showing y'all does like take a long time, and I don't want this video to be lengthy, even though I'm pretty sure it already is. But yeah, I'm just doing exactly what I showed y'all, and I'm sorry about the lighting. I don't know why whenever I do a time lapse it makes me like the color of the sun.
Okay, so I'm finally done. So I'm just taking some of this olive oil wrap and set mousse, and I'm just going to put some at the top of my head. Just to get all my little flyaway pieces that was sticking up. And this also feels good, not gonna lie. Like, I don't know how long I'm gonna keep this in, just because I don't know, me and my mom, we was really just winging it, but I think it's cute. Like, obviously I could have did it longer, but I'm not gonna lie, it's too hot. Like, I be getting too hot. This hair is kind of itchy, not gonna lie, but I think it's cute. I don't know how long I'm gonna keep it in, but I genuinely do like it though. So this is the finished product. Feel me? This really came out like mad cute. Like mad cute. Honestly, once you put the mousse on, just put a scarf on and go to sleep, and it'll really just flatten everything out. And I promise when you take the scarf off, I feel like it looks 10 times better, and like the roots are a little bit more easier to like move around. Like they were easy to move around last night, but I just felt like they still had a certain shape to them, probably like the shape I was holding it at when I was twisting it. But now like they're loose and movable. I really like them. This is really mad cute. Like, this is a look, hunty. This is a look. Like, this is mad cute. Like, this is really mad cute. Like, I actually really like this length. Actually, like, it's not too much where it's like down to my butt and it's just too much, even though I like a long wig, feel me? But I feel like it's not too short neither, where it's like I didn't really do nothing. I feel like it's a good length. Like, it's cute. Like, it's good for the summertime. Like, I really think this is cute. So yeah, if you guys are gonna try this, do it right now. Like, start right now, because it's gonna take a minute, but start right now. Like, this is mad cute. Anyways, if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Show some love. And if you like do them and you post like a picture, please tag me, because like I want to see y'all work too. Feel me? Like, I love stuff like that. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Oh, also, if there's anything like I said or like didn't explain thoroughly and like you're kind of confused a little bit, don't be afraid to comment it down below, and I'll try to answer to like the best of my possibilities. But yeah, I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.